how to take integer input from user. That's a beginner level question, and often time I get the question from beginners, so I'm going to create a new tutorial on that. And previously I have shown you how to take input from user, so this time let's see how to take integer input from user. So let's create a Python file called inint.py. You can name whatever you want, but I'm going to name it int in. So let's edit it in ideally. So like in the previous tutorial, let's create a variable called in equals input, and as the prompt, let's say please type an integer here. So but as the input in is a preserved keyword in Python, so you have to use another variable. I am just going to say I. But what does I return? I return what does input return? Input return a string, and that is normal Python string. So you have to convert that in integer, and you have to catch the exceptions if something is raised. So let's do it in the simplest way possible. Okay, let me run it and see what does it return. I'm going to say print user provided what? User provided I. And I'm also going to print what is the type of the input. So and the sorry for that, and the type of the input is. So to check the type, just use the built-in function type, and let's see what happens. Run module, and let's put 122, and user provided 122, and the type of the input is class str. That means the function returned a value with the type of string, so we have to convert that to integer. So how to do that? If you want to convert a variable, if you want to convert a data in Python, you have to use built-in functions, or if the type is not supported, or if the type is a built-in custom object created by you, then you have to create some custom method or custom function for that. I'm just going to use the built-in function int. So if you provide a string containing integer, it will provide you with the integer value. So I int, and again I'm going to print that data. No, this time user did not provide the converted data. So converted data is I int, and the type of the I int is what? Okay, let's see what is that. So let me input 6556 and see 6556, and the type of the I int is class star. So why the hell is that? I int, oh sorry, we did not provide the I int variable, instead we kept it I. So let's test once again. So 5 and see, the class is int now. So we have got the integer type data from the string type data. That means we are able to get integer type data from the user, but we have to convert it ourselves. But think once again, if someone provides some invalid data, SSS12, okay, sorry, that was due to F5, okay, F1. So if someone provide invalid data, what would happen? Invalid detail, it raise an exception, and that's obviously a bad thing. You have to uh, handle that exception. So how to do that? Okay, we have to use the try block, and we are trying to convert it, and except what? Except value error. If it is a value error, then we are going to say int equals 0. We are just going to provide a default value for the integer, or you may ask the user once again to input, or you may notify the user that they have provided the wrong value. So let's see whether it works or not. I'm not going to show you another example for notifying user what they did wrong. So I'm leaving that on you. If you cannot do that, please let me know. I would create another tutorial for you. And thanks for watching my tutorial. Coming up with another tutorial soon. Till then, bye.